the sun is out today, so are we. And today we're going to be reviewing the travel set that we got for our baby. It's a Maxi-Cosi Oxford, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So this is the frame. Okay, currently over here, like at the bottom there's like a brick, so I click on it and then it starts moving. Right, so this is the frame of the stroller. I just maybe go here. It's got a lot of ample space here at the bottom where you can put your bags and all those things. And then these are adapters, right? So using the same frame, you can put a car seat on it, you can put the stroller, and then you can put a pram cot. A pram cot is for the first 6 months of the baby's life. So yeah, so this is how you put the adapters off the side. Okay, so this is for the side. So we've put the adapters in. So I would like to install the car seat on the stroller, and for the birth, yeah, so the baby will be facing you. So this is how you put it in. Yeah, okay. See the side. Okay, so it's supposed to clip. It has clipped, and then yeah. You can do this, so you can see your baby over there. They're comfortable, and it's very good for for those short grocery runs or something like that, where you just pop the baby in there. And then yeah, I'll also show you how to put the car seat in the car. So this is the first use with the car seat. Very easy to use. So to remove it, there's like buttons here. Yeah, so you unclip both sides, and then it's so the next thing is the pram cot. So for this one, you have to remove the adapters. There's a clip in there, so you clip and you remove. Okay, you see this one, and so you clip and you remove. I can't do it both hands, so you clip and remove there. Then you put the next set of adapters, which are these ones. You put them like this. So you put them like this. It's very evident that my husband does this most of the time. Okay, so this is how you put them. So this is the pram cot for the baby's first 6 months. Again, the baby should be facing you. So, yep, it's clicked. Okay. So this is the pram cot. In the baby's early months, they need to be lying down. So this is the maximum is 9 kg. So 6 months, 9 kgs. In the sunny days, you can close it like this. It's not rain-proof, so there's a cover that you can put on it. Where is the zipper? You can also open the open here, then see the baby in this air. So yeah, very comfy. That's the brick that I was talking about. It's moving now. And okay, and look at all that space. So again, we remove the adapters. Like this. They're very easy to remove. And then, so the actual stroller thingy, this one doesn't need an adapter. So you just clip it in. My baby is too small, so they have to face me. So it's going to be like this. And then bring it here. You can see that this is the clip, and it's got like 4 more clips to make sure that your baby is really secure. And then there's this bar as well to protect your baby from falling out. And then you can cover them as well. Over here there's a zipper as well that you can open to let air in. So this is, yeah, this is the third function. Quite handy, right? So it comes with accessories. This bottle holder is the first accessory. So the other accessories are this rain cover when it's raining, so you can cover the baby. Cover with this, and then there's a bag as well, which is very handy, fits everything. And then you can chuck it right at the bottom like this. Okay, brakes please. Yeah, so this is our Maxi-Cosi travel set, guys. Very easy to use. Very good buy. Alright guys, that is our travel set. It's been good so far, especially when you live in a place where you be going for long walks in the park and stuff like that. The wheels are big enough, because initially we were not sure if we wanted to do this one or the bigger one, the Fame, but I think for our purposes this is big. This is good and big enough. So yeah, later guys, later. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye. So this is the isofix that you fix in the car, so that it can be the stand for the car seat. And this one is a swivel, so you can move the car seat like this. You can move it like this. And this is where you clip your car seat, and you press this up. If you want to remove the car seat, you press this up. So this is the car seat setup. Okay, so this is the car seat, and then here, yep. So this is the car seat. So you've moved it, move it like this, and then here. So if you don't have that, this stand, this isofix, you can just use the seat belt will go in there, and then it will secure the car seat. But obviously the isofix is more secure, but that's an alternative option. And then the first few months, this will be included. You can use this for your infant, but then as they grow, you can remove this and then use it a bit more. I think this is like for 18 months or something like that, and then baby will outgrow it. Yep, motherhood and spending, you buy a lot of things, but yeah, this is the basket. And then if you want to remove it again, you can just unclip there and then remove it. Okay, alright guys, I think that's it. Thank you for watching.